How to export a video in Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to export video in Capcut. To begin with, first thing first, go and log in into your Capcut account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So what next you want to do is, you just have to go ahead and open up a new project. Let's say I'm going to go with this one, and I'm going to go ahead and select a new video. Let's say this is the one. Now make sure that you've already completed the video or all that. So let's say this is the one. So once you've made changes with the following video, or that you've edited, that you've done changes with or made changes with, you just have to go ahead and press the export in the top right hand side corner. Now before doing this, make sure that your resolution is set to 1080p. This will give you the resolution used. So when you actually do it, click the export button. It's going to take a couple of seconds in order to export, so just do it so. And this way you could go and export video in Capcut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.